In this video, I'll show you how to install and configure GitHub on Windows. To use GitHub on Windows, you mainly need two things: a GitHub account and Git installed on your computer. Git is the tool that lets you clone repositories, track changes, commit files, and push your work to GitHub. First, open your browser and go to the official Git website. Download Git for Windows, then open the installer once the download is complete. During installation, you will see several setup options. For most users, the default settings are fine. You can keep the recommended editor, path settings, HTTPS option, line ending settings, and terminal emulator options as they are. Continue clicking Next, then click Install. After installation finishes, open the Start menu and search for Git Bash. Git Bash is a terminal that lets you run Git commands on Windows. Now you need to configure your Git identity. In Git Bash, type this command, replacing the example name with your own name: git config dash global user dot name your name. Then press enter. Next, set your email address. Use the same email connected to your GitHub account. Git config dash global user dot email your dash email at example.com. Then press enter. To check if the configuration worked, type git config dash global dash list. You should see your name and email listed. Next, sign into GitHub in your browser. If you want an easier way to connect GitHub with your computer, you can also install GitHub Desktop. GitHub Desktop gives you a visual interface for cloning repositories, committing changes, and pushing updates without using commands all the time. To connect from Git Bash, you can use HTTPS or SSH. For beginners, HTTPS is usually easier. When you clone or push a repository, GitHub may ask you to sign in through your browser or use a personal access token. Once Git is installed and your name and email are configured, your Windows computer is ready to work with GitHub projects. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.